Welcome, here I've got VERNEE Mix 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this picture button here. When we tap on it, we can change the quality of our photo. We have these two formats and then also the spectrum from 1 to 3, and when we slide a little to the right we can see 5 and 8 and also 13 megapixels. So of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, so these 13 megapixels from the right here. And that's all. This is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.